In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a convenient and visually appealing pricing table in Wix. This tool can be highly beneficial if you're running an e-commerce site, or if you have a diverse range of products or services, all with differing pricing metrics. And not to worry, even though it may sound complex, Wix makes this process painless and straightforward. First things first, we need to head to the section where we can add apps. These apps help supplement the functionality of your site, enabling a vast array of customized features, the pricing table being just one of many. So navigate to the toolbar and find the section that says Add Apps. It should be easy to locate, and once you locate this, click on it to proceed to the next steps. With access to the Apps section now, you'd notice a search bar right there. This is where you'd input the name of the app you wish to install. In this case, we're interested in the pricing table. Hence, type pricing table into the search bar and hit enter. The search results should display an array of related apps. However, you need to focus on the one that specifically says pricing table, as that's our main focus here. Once you've located the pricing table app, select it by clicking on it. This brings us to the next important part of the process. Now that you've selected the pricing table app, the next step is to add it to your website. You would typically see an Add or Install button nearby. Click on this, and the Wix website builder would integrate the pricing table into your site. It's that simple. Here comes the fun part, where you get to customize the pricing table according to your desires and needs. You have full control over your pricing table. You can adjust its columns and rows, change the colors to match your branding, add in your prices, and so on. Feel free to experiment with the different settings until you're satisfied with how your pricing table looks. Remember that this table is a potent tool for informing your customers about the pricing variations of your products or services. So, take your time to properly set it up. And there you go. By following these simple steps, you have successfully created and customized a pricing table in Wix. You're now one step closer to making your site a concise, convenient, and sophisticated platform for your customers. So go ahead, apply what you have learned. And with time and practice, you will be creating not just pricing tables, but other advanced features for your website in Wix, like a seasoned pro. Start creating and happy building.